Okay, today we're going to work on sketching this chickadee for a painting that we're going to do next. The first thing you want to notice is the biggest shape first. It's a big round ovally shape, which is the bird's body. There's a smaller, more ovally shape, which is the bird's head. The tail is a short stubby thing that sticks out the bottom. The wing overlays the body. The eye, be careful with the placement of the eye. It's important to get the eye correct in all living things, or your image will look a little off when you're done if the eye isn't placed correctly. The beak on a chickadee is a short, stubby little thing. And the legs on this chickadee, I'm changing a little bit. I want the bird to be standing, not hanging on a branch. The lights and darks, you'll draw in a line, which is a curved line for the cap of the chickadee, and a little triangle under his chin area. You'll notice at the bottom of the bird's body is a warmer, more yellowy color than the rest of his body. I'd like to mention that this photo is courtesy of Ruby Creek Birds on Instagram. Okay, we're ready to start sketching onto the paper. I'm just using plain copy paper here because my final sketch is going to go on watercolor paper. Putting in those two biggest shapes, the big round oval and the smaller oval for the head. Once you get those two big shapes in, everything else just gets overlaid over top of them. So that once you're comfortable that you have the shape of the bird's body, that's the biggest thing. I'm pretty happy with that. And just go ahead and erase out all the unimportant lines in the middle there. There's the wing. Just rests right over top of the body. There's the tail. Check the placement of that eye. Got the lights and the darks. You'll notice that the black comes down under the eye. The eye almost gets lost in the black there. And these are not straight lines, they're curved lines. Beak, it goes right in between the two black shapes. A chickadee does not have a very big beak. The legs, again, I'm changing them and I'm also stylizing them a little bit. That's not exactly how bird feet look. That's how I like to do them. When I'm doing these sketches in preparation for a painting, I will do them over and over again until I'm really comfortable with it, so that when I go to put it on my watercolor paper, I don't need to be doing a lot of erasing and resketching. Erasing on watercolor paper, even with a soft eraser, tends to tear the paper up a little bit. This is just a way to get really comfortable with the bird before you start on your painting. And I'm pretty happy with how this is coming out. So follow me in the next video, and we are actually going to paint the bird. So check out my next video. Let's paint a watercolor chickadee and we'll finish this up. I hope to see you there, guys.